This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so yesterday we started React.js. So React is basically a component library which is going to be worked on npm and React developed on Node.js. There are multiple things we discussed yesterday and how to create project with React. There are multiple ways to create project with React. The one is CDN, so you can work with the CDN. The one is online editors. You can go with online editors, and one more is npm process. npm. So the first one, the first one is CDN. We already done with that. So we have to copy paste the content whatever it is, and we need to go with the three files. The one is react.js, and one is react dom.js. The one is babel.js. Babel is a transpiler which is going to be transpiles JSX to JS. That is the one thing. So these three files are very important to work with the React.js. So there are so many concepts which are going to be available with React. If you want to do practice with any one of the concept, you can go with the React, React DOM, and Babel. Babel is compulsory. Without Babel, it can't able to work out. And one more is online editor. There are multiple online editors which are going to be available. So then you can go for the react.js.org. So go to the website and go to the docs, and you find out try react try react for try react for go with the first one. The first one is download the HTML. Whenever you download the HTML, you can able to understand the CDN content, all these things. You can find out the content. You just copy paste the content in the JS file, save the content in JS file. That is going to be giving you simple CDN file. The one thing is there are multiple online editors which are available. The one is CodePen, one is the Code Sandbox, one is the Stackblitz. These are the three important frameworks which are going to be available: online editors, CodePen, Code Sandbox, Stackblitz. And the last process is going to be npm. If you want to work with npm, first of all check either Node.js is installed in your machine or not. Without Node.js, it won't work. Node.js installed or not. How to check Node.js installation? First of all, install Node.js from nodejs.org. Install Node.js from nodejs.org. Just to try to go with this particular editor, and you download the Node.js. Download the Node.js first. After downloading Node.js, we need to check with the check versions. How to check versions? There are multiple ways to check versions, but better one is you can go with the command line. You can go with the command line. Check with the node minus v, and one more is npm minus v. Two commands we need to give. So node minus v, this is giving you version of Node.js, and the second one, this is giving you version of npm. So that two things we need to check first. after that what we need to do is create a folder on desktop. Create a folder on desktop. So check the desktop path. Next point is check the desktop path. Next, open command line, open command, and navigate to folder what we created. Navigate to folder. Try to understand, very simple. First of all, create a folder on desktop. So that folder name is something, for example, I'm creating a folder like a React prods. So I'm creating the folder like a React apps, something like React apps. This is my folder first of all. After that, check the desktop path. This is very important. Check the desktop path and check your folder path and check your folder path. So different systems, different path is there. So many systems having OneDrive path. So many systems having OneDrive path. Latest machines, Windows machines having OneDrive path. So you have to check it out where the users available, where the OneDrive. What is the OneDrive containing with? Then desktop you can able to find out. Just navigate to that. Navigate to that. So after navigating to the folder, then open command line, navigate to the folder. So just check it out. I will create a new folder now. I will create a new folder on top of desktop now. So I have already React apps folder. I have already React projects folder. Let me create a new folder. This will be a React apps. The folder is what? React apps. Can you find out the folder? Can you see the folder? I created a folder called React apps. Now what is my requirement is I need to navigate to this folder. I need to navigate to this folder. How to navigate to this folder? Open the command line. Open the command line. So here very important thing we need to understand is everything is command line. Everything is command line. Okay, so this is a command line. So I'm just trying to open this, and this is going to be showing MacBook Pro directly. For me, it is showing Navigator MacBook Pro. I'm saving cd space desktop. cd is a command which is going to be entering into the folder. Entering into the folder. So cd space desktop. So my path is now desktop. Now I'm in desktop. Now I am in desktop. On top of desktop, what is the folder I created? React apps. Now cd space React apps. cd space React apps. Just try to go with this. So now I'm in the folder called React apps. First, we need to do this one. First, this step is very important. On top of desktop, whatever the folder you created for the projects, you need to navigate to that particular folder by the command line, by the terminal. If you are using Windows machine, command line is there. If you are using a Mac machine, terminal is there. If I am using a Windows machine, I can go with the command line. If I am using the Mac machine, I can go with the terminal. So the next process. So navigate to the folder. Then we need to write a command. We need to write a command for create a project. Command for create a project. Command for create a project. How to create project? We need to write a command. npx space create react app space whatever the app name you want to create. Whatever the app name you have to create. So here the thing is very important. This will be your app name. This will be your app name. That name is your wish. The tab name is your wish, and this is the custom name. This is the custom name. And one more point we need to remember, this project name is in small letters. This project name in small letters. Don't give capital letters with the project name. React projects starts with the project name in small letters. Project name in small letters. Don't give spaces, guys. Don't give spaces, and this will be starting with the small letters. Remember one point. So I given the project name is my app. My M capital letter or small letter? Small letter. And my app, A capital letter you can provide. If you want A capital letter you can provide. But first letter is small letter, and project name should not have spaces. Project name should not have any special characters without underscore. Project name should not have any special characters without underscore, and project name we have in small letters. Just project name should be in the small letters. Is it clear? The thing is very simple, very important. So today everybody have to do this one. Everybody have to create this project without fail. Without fail, everybody need to create this project first of all. And when you people are working with the React.js, your system should be having 8 GB RAM. Please try to understand. So with 4 GB RAM systems, it is very slow. It is very slow. And try to make your system with 8 GB RAM, and try to make your system with a SSD hard disk. Working with React, working with Python. So Python is okay, but React bit faster we need to work out. So your system, how many people having systems with the 4 GB RAM, Sandy?
This conference will now be recorded.
Now I just enter here. When I enter, automatically this is going to be giving you project creation. So let me take this into the terminal. Where is the terminal here? So here I need to write the same thing, npx space create hyphen react hyphen app. So please try to remember this command. Create react app, three break words. Create hyphen, not underscore. Create hyphen. Hyphen means minus. Create minus react minus app. Create hyphen react hyphen app space project name. Whatever the project you want to create, you can create the project name. So I'm going to be preparing the project name is my app. Can I give my app? Can I give my app? So is it possible? Yes, possible. So enter it. So when you do enter, it will take a few minutes time. Few minutes based on your internet connection. I mean, sorry. This is the problem. Huh? This is the problem. So capital letters should not allowed. So my app is not allowed. Can I give my app again? npx create react app and space my small letters. One more rule. What is the rule? So restricted rule. That restricted rule is your project name should not have capital letters. Your project name should not have capital letters. Then enter. So now it is going to be trying to downloading the project for you within minutes. Within minutes, 2 minutes or 3 minutes, the project is going to be completely downloading to you from the internet. So make sure that you will be having internet connection or not. If you don't have internet connection, please try to connect with your mobile data and it will download the complete project with you. So till that we have to wait for a few minutes. So
This
the simple way,
conference will now be
first of all,
recorded.
please keep quiet. First of all, create React project. How to create React project? Before the creating React project, first of all, we need to install Node.js. After installation of Node.js, check with the node version, node space -v, npm space -v. These two commands are very important to check your node version, if you have properly installed node or not. So once you got installed node, then only you have to create the project. How to create the project? First of all, create a folder on top of desktop. Create a folder on top of desktop. Not only desktop, anywhere you create, but for your easy way, I'm going to be working on desktop. You can create in any folder, E drive, F drive, whatever it's fine. But I'm going with desktop. Desktop is very easy to understand. So first of all, create a folder on top of desktop. On top of the desktop, you create a folder and just open the command line, navigate to the path. After navigating to the path, what we need to do? npx space create hyphen react hyphen app space my app. This is the command. When we give the command, automatically your project is going to be getting downloading. So this is the procedure done already. And finally, you need to get happy hacking. This is the message you need to get. After downloading the complete project, it will take time based on your internet speed. After that, you will get one message called happy hacking. So then I will check whether project downloaded or not. I will check whether project downloaded or not. On top of desktop, I have a folder called React apps, right? So I'm opening the folder and I got a project created, downloaded called my app. Can you see the my app now? So inside the my app, I'll be having a lot of folders. So one is the node modules. Lot of node modules got downloaded. Come back, and there is a one file called package log.json. One is the package.json, and one more is the public folder. One is the readme file. One is the src file. These 5 different 1 2 3 4 5 6 different files we need to see. After this, okay, so fine, project got downloaded properly. Now what we need to do, just follow the suggested. We suggest the following beginning typing. So first one, cd space my app. So inside React apps, there is a my app folder created, right? In my app, there are a lot of files, but I need to enter into the my app now. How to enter into the my app? cd space my app. When I give cd space my app, I am entering into the my app folder. I'm entering into the My app folder. After entering into the My app folder, I need to go with project run. How to run the project? npm start. npm start. When I say npm start, obviously you will be getting the browser. Obviously, you will be getting the browser. So automatically, the default browser is getting open with your localhost 3000, localhost 3000 with a React project. Yes, I got a React project created and I got a React project running. This is the basic project of the React. When you downloaded some project of the React, that will be like this. Some logo is running like this. Some hyperlink is there. Some H1 is there. Whatever it is. So now just understand. Try to understand. I'm opening the folder. I'm trying to opening the folder. Online people, everybody done the same thing. Everybody done the
Yes.
same thing. Everybody got downloaded the project.
This conference will now be recorded.